Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm coming to you with a quick install video. I recently got a wig from Amazon and it just came today. It looks like this. It's nothing special with the packaging. It's just like a throw-on wig. It's a 4x4 lace front closure and it comes with like a little netting cap. So I'm going to use this today just because I'm just installing it, just preparing it for the next day so I can just throw it on and brush off the curls. Okay. And then I'm using the Baby Bliss Nano Pro flat iron. I need to get a hot comb too, but for right now, using the flat iron just to lay the front part and the curling iron to obviously curl it. So let's see what we get. And I have this is human hair. It feels good, but I know it's not 100% raw human hair, but it is nice quality and it feels amazing. And you see how it has that shine on it, but not that fake shine that synthetic hair has. Like really synthetic hair, the one you get from the beauty supply store. But this is really nice. It feels good. It doesn't have a weird smell to it. And this is 24 inches. From the cap all the way down to the ends, it's fairly fair, the amount of hair, and this is a 180% density, so it's nice. It doesn't feel like 100% 80 density. It feels like 150, but I believe when you put the curls in and give it a little bit more fluff, it'll have that volume to it and it'll look really pretty. So it looks good so far, and it comes with 3 combs inside, 1, 2, 3, adjustable little strap here per usual, and then the 4x4 lace. Now the lace is really nice. There's not too much that I have to do to it except for maybe pluck it. If I don't want to apply a little powder on the little lace part, I don't have to necessarily, but I am going to apply just a little bit just to make sure everything meshes well. And I'm going to do a little bit of plucking on the hairline because it's too straight across. So yeah, this is the hair. Like a big fluffy brush. Ignore the mess in the back. Alright, so got my rat tail comb. I'm just going to
World of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around. It's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, eat faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. When it hurts like this. We climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like. But that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't
Alright, so I'm gonna do the other side and I'll come back. This is so pretty. Kind of feel weird in it, it's just not right now because I don't like it. It's a long curl situation. So pretty. So pretty. Super flat it is. And it has like a nice little shine as you will when you go to like the salon to get your hair done. Okay.